Hi there, today I'm going to show you how you can easily take Pinterest pins and bring them over into Notion to quickly decorate your Notion template. Now, what we're going to do is open up our Notion template. We're going to click where we want our image to go, and then we are also going to open up our Pinterest. We're going to search for a pin that we want to insert in our template. I'm just going to click this one. I'm going to click this, and I'm going to drag it over into my Notion template area. You're going to be able to tell that you can move this because you can see this blue line is going to indicate where you're going to place your image. And then also you can see that the mouse button has a rectangle with a plus sign with it. That's going to let you know that you're able to move it. If you weren't going to be able to do that, it would usually be a circle with a line through it, and it's usually red, indicating that you can't copy something there. So we're just going to drop it in there, and then you can see now we have our image. We can go in and we can resize it by using these little handles, and then you can just go in and determine where you want your image to be. And that is how you pull images from Pinterest over into Notion. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.